Hi students. So in the previous session we learned about the chapter practical geometry. So today I am going to start the new chapter, that is chapter number 6, squares and square roots. So here first we are going to study about the square, and after the completion of this we are going to study about the square roots. Okay, so this chapter is very easy. So before going to start the exercise, I'll explain a little bit regarding this. So the first one is that definition of square. So what is the meaning of square? All of you listen here. Square numbers are those we get by multiplying the same number two times. Let me repeat one more time. Square numbers are those we get by multiplying the same number two times. For example, here, if I take a first 1, if I multiply this 1 2 times, I took it the same number. 1 into 1 is equal to 1, 2 into 2 is equal to 4, 3 into 3 is equal to 9, 4 into 4 is equal to 16, 5 into 5 is equal to 25, 6 into 6 is equal to 36, 7 into 7 is equal to 49, 8 into 8 is equal to 64, 9 into 9 is equal to 81, and 10 into 10 is equal to 100. So not only these numbers, we have a lot of every number it has a square number. Okay. So the first thing is that see here I took the same number, 1 1 is a 1. So it is 1, it is a square of 1. Here this 4 is a square of 2, and this 9 it is a square of 3, and this 16 it is a square of 4, and this 25 it is a square of 5, this 36 it is a square of 6, and 49 it is a square of 7, 64 it is a square of 8, 81 it is a square of 9, and similarly 100 it is the square of 10. So this is regarding the definition of the square. Here we get the square numbers multiplying the same numbers here. Okay, here you have to take the same number. If you take a different number, it not becomes a square. Here you have to take the same number. Okay, it may be 11 into 11 is equal to 121. Okay, 11 into 11 is equal to 121. Okay, it may be 12 into 12 is equal to 144. Okay, and next 13 into 13 is equal to 169. 14 into 14 is equal to 196. 15 into 15 is equal to 225. So all these are the square numbers. Okay, so this is regarding the introduction of the square. Okay, let me repeat one more time. Square numbers are those we get those by multiplying the same number two times. Okay, next we are going to study about the properties of squares. So the next is that properties of squares. So students, all of you see here. Here I wrote from 1 to 20 the square numbers. Okay, so 1 square, it means it is just like this, 1 into 1. I simply write this in the form of exponent like this. Okay, so here the square of 1 is 1. Okay, 2 4 3 9. Okay, 4 16, 5 25. Okay, 6 36, 7 49. Okay, 8 64, 9 81. So all these are the squares of the given numbers respectively. Okay, so here you have to observe that in all these square numbers in unit place, see here is the 1 4 9 6. I am telling in the unit place. Okay, 1 4 unit place means all of you know that. For example, 564 it is. Here this 4 is it is in the place of unit. So here this 1 4 9 6 5 we have to see only the unit place. 6 9 4 1 0 1 4 9 6 5 6 9 4 1 0. So after observing all these square numbers, we come to the conclusion that all square numbers end with 0 1 4 5 6 or 9 in its unit place. Okay, so here in the unit place all the square numbers end with 0 1 4 5 6 or 9. So this is the first property. Okay, see the second property, all of you students here. See all these square numbers. 10 into 10 is equal to 100. Okay, 20 into 20 is equal to 400. 30 into 30 is equal to 900. 40 into 40 is equal to 1600. And 100 into 100 is equal to, it is a 10,000. So here at the end we have here two zeros, two zeros, two zeros, two zeros, and here we have four zeros. So it means square numbers can only have the even number of zeros at the end. Okay, see here both these are the even number, both these zeros are even, both here also the zeros are even, here also we have the even number of zeros. So the second property is that square numbers can only have even number of zeros at the end. Okay, so here in the let me stop here. In the next session I will continue the same properties. I mean in the remaining properties I will continue in the next video. Thank you. Have a nice day.